Davidson ithwathwa abantu badiniwe ngempela ke Davidson ithwathwa Davidson
Davidton from 1972. Yes, I was involved in all the riots. The late Kefa Sinyoga family, you can contact them about me. They will enlighten you more about that. And another thing is this, I was involved in football in Sinaba Stadium with Binod United Amagwacha. And then further on, I helped a lot of Magokos and that in Davidton. And I stand for Davidton, and I will never let Davidton down. And I will continue supporting Davidton. And Davidton is a peaceful, loving community. I had no problem for so many years, 54 years in Davidton. Not one day anybody swore at me or stoned my car or anything. And I thank God for that. And furthermore is that we must respect our country. With law and order, we must respect because I'm born here. If the foreigners are here and they respect our country, no problem at all. But if they don't respect the country, they haven't got proper documents or anything, they're going to be out.
And what do you say if they are bringing drugs? These guys who are bringing drugs in this country? What can you comment about these ones who are bringing drugs?
They must be arrested and locked up and thrown out of the country immediately. We don't allow drugs at all. We don't stand for that because we're going to bug our community up and we're going to bug our children up.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, and you people have a good day and God bless you.
Okay. Siyaphila kunjani futhi?
Ngiyaphila.
No, umfowethu beno endaweni yasemsinga ngokuhlala ngila ethwathu emaphupheni.
Futhi.
Benginxusa nje mina ukuthi qala nginxusa eqala. South Africa ayikiphume yonke. Ngobuningi bayo ngoba sinenkinga la kahle njengoba senza le march to march ingesimo sokuhlupheka sesinakho la endaweni yakithi ngoba kugcwele abantu bokufika abavimba yonke into ngoba yonke into bayivimbile so umuntu ufanele besezweni la ngokwe passport nokwe permit ngoba wona ngeke usuke eUSA uyohlala khona ungahambi ngesimo somsebenzi owusebenza futhi ukalelwe isikhathi so mina wakithi ke ngithi mina abahambe labantu umuntu akabuye eze la kule march to march simasheni silungisana iDevton njengoba namanye indawo zilungisa
uthini ngomshado
ngomhla ka-3 womfowethu hayi khona sisho ukuthi kodwa ilanga lesigameko yilako kufanele khona sibone phela ukuthi lo onqabelana nokuthi elandele iprotocol South Africa simenza kanjani bese siyilungisa lento leyo ngendlela right futhi
qala kithi asibonga kakhulu
siyabonga futhi
14 June sinakisangwa 14 June mina uzange ngibonga 14 thina ngoJune sibizwe ngala ngomkasi kodwa abasikejule kebhesi sokungena sizobheka kuhle kanje umdata ngifakele la WhatsApp super go back to abungozi na asicabani siyazwala nje siyacela bafethu ukuthi nange banikhona kwethu ngiqhubeke njalo noma siyazi into enhle nibe khona nje bafethu siyamthanda lo ikwenza kuthini siwuzulu siwubhaca ubhaca ucacile kaZulu hayi ukuthi siwubhaca ngoba adamane uZulu siphinde sibe sodwa bezizulu bafethu siyacela ngelanga naso sikhathi ngomhla 6 madoda ensikeni babhaca yini induna bhaca wonke nje ngojabula bafethu ngafika njengoba so sana yonke indawo ukuthi sisapota ngopetrol bonifika bafethu ngeke nizwe ngophula kodwa yethu bafethu ekasibe right super kubhaqile wasibhaqazo siyaqala amadoda ukuthi njenganje amakhosi wonke abhaca ngiyabuyeka lokwenze ngebe mezilana ngiyabuyeka emakhuzeni amakhosi emakhuzeni wonke siwathanda siyaqala kungena support kakhulu ihlonishwe okugcina sengizwana bafethu lento yethu isizwe samabhaca isizwe samakhuza isizwe sakaZulu ngiyacela bafethu ukuthi mqhubeke umsebenzi wenu bayisupporte abantu bangagcini ngokuthi balehe kuphela ne-YouTube bangene banisupporte sebenza inkulu kakhulu bafethu inkulu nenzayo ngiyabonga bafethu ngiyabonga bafethu